excuse my looks right now because I look horrible, but I didn't make an intro for this video, so I just wanted to make a little intro. But basically in this video we're going to California and we're gonna go to Knott very far. And yes, since I'm recording this after I went, it was so fun, and yeah, just go watch. Still have to go to the bathroom. You bring the bucket back. We're going to Knott's.
Yeah. There was only like 1 or 2 left.
We're all wearing matching shirts.
It's right there.
Oh, no more?
No.
Guess where we're going?
Yeah, go easy. Ask them.
Knott's.
Guys, how many boxes?
Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? I know. Okay, we're getting out right now. We're going here. And also you can see back here. Where is it at? The Knott's Berry Farm Hotel.
Trying to get your video.
Somewhere right there.
Hi.
Hi. This is my twin, my little twin here.
Yeah.
I did her makeup and her hair.
Yes, she did.
So yeah.
Pleasure.
Come on. My turn. Oh. You ready? Oh, no. You ready? Got my finger.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right.
Hello, it's the next day. So basically this is like my outro sort of thing, whatever, the end of a vlog. You guys saw the way there, the way back, and you guys saw the whole trip, the whole Knott's Berry Farm trip. But anyways, yeah, but it's the next day. We've slept. I was gonna record last night, but I was like, I was too tired. I went to sleep around, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and then yeah, comment down below if you want to see more vlogs like this, and yeah.